Along the still waters of the lake, a remarkable spectacle unfolds. Black skimmers with wings flapping and stretching skim just above the surface. Their flight is unlike that of most birds, for they fish not by sight alone, but with touch. The lower part of their beak slices through the water, barely breaking its surface. With each pass, it is ready to snap shut upon the faintest movement below. Small fish or drifting creatures unlucky enough to cross its path. Today, however, the story is not only of survival, but of learning. The young, now fully fledged, take to the skies alongside their parents. What we are witnessing is in effect a training day. With steady precision, the adults demonstrate this most unusual hunting technique. The fledglings, wings flapping and stretching, mimic every move, practicing the art that will sustain them. It is a moment both tender and vital, where skill is passed from one generation to the next. And so, above the foggy lake, grace and survival are entwined in the flight of these extraordinary birds. As the seasons change, the black skimmers that breed along the California shores begin their remarkable journey southward, migrating for the winter to coastal regions stretching from Mexico all the way down to Central and South America.